Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. This is part two. The gentleman was originally trying to use the Intersect tool, and it just wasn't working. He said it's got some weird lines. Well, they're not weird lines, they're just lines. But the Intersect tool just doesn't work in this case. But I'm going to show him. So I've got the other part already ready. Like I did in the first video, we can nudge these down. And you can see that we have a background. You know what I need to do is probably not do that. Probably move those. Because I want the end there, that end, and I'll put this back in a little, whatever Corel won't let you move stuff off the page. So we've got that there, we're good to go. So now, we'll move in our head. Now he was saying the Intersect tool that just didn't work in this case. And the thing just doesn't fit without those Northwestern or whatever it is in there. But we're going to go and now we're going to intersect. And this is what he's saying. He was getting some weird lines. Well, they're not weird lines, they're just lines. So we're going to move that out of the way. We're going to move this back. And immediately I want to get rid of that Northwestern wordage. I'm going to take the virtual segment delete key. I mean, unless he wanted it in there, which I don't think he does, because it's not in the graphic. Takes just a little bit of time. Okay, now we're going to basically paint by numbers. So we're going to get the Smart Fill tool. I've already got the white on, so I'm going to fill in everything that's white. And I don't know that he really wants the white, but I'm going to add them. He can always not add them. And just go through here and add the white. I think one more place. Now, get your Smart Fill tool and get your eyedropper and take a sample of that gold and fill in everything that's gold on the other picture. There's a few little tidbits right here. And then this is gold, this is gold, this is gold. I don't really see that line. Maybe that's what he's talking about. I'm just going to go ahead and fill in everything that should be gold. We could delete those lines. I didn't see that earlier. And we're going to fill in that with gold and that with gold, this with gold, and then we can go and fill in the outside with gold like we wanted to earlier. Now everything else is going to be purple. I think this needs to be gold. I think we got it all now. Take the eyedropper or the Smart Fill tool to get a sample of that purple. And basically would have filled everything in with purple that is yellow and not part of the end. Takes just a little bit of time. I missed one gold right there. So we're going to go back to gold. Unfortunately, it doesn't really save it. You could possibly save it. I need one more little white. I don't, I'm that type of, I could stop it and you'd never know the difference. Now we're going to take our contour and just nudge them back up. And voila, you have the exact same thing. The reason I don't like PowerClip, and I really shouldn't say that, I've heard stories where when you PowerClip engravers, it'll still engrave the stuff that's outside the PowerClip. But that's almost the exact logo. It's a little bit different through his head. And they use a little bit thicker contour on the purple. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.